Have you ever dreamed of making daily sales online without building a funnel, running ads, or even showing your face on camera? What if you could start earning by simply giving away free documents, even if you have zero tech skills or experience? Today, I'm reviewing the Conversion Magnets Masterclass from Conversions.ai, a step-by-step system that claims to help you generate 15 to 20 sales a day by giving away free value-packed documents. It's designed for total beginners and busy people who want results fast. I've gone through the training, tested the software, and checked out real user results. I'll give you my honest take on what works, what doesn't, and whether this could be your shortcut to online income in 2025. Overview of main features. The core of Conversion Magnets is a three-step process. First, choose a proven, high-converting product using their data-backed formula. Next, use their proprietary AI software to create a conversion magnet, a document that's designed to sell for you. And finally, give that document away for free, letting the system do the heavy lifting to turn readers into buyers. So, here's what you get with the package. It includes a full masterclass, a product selection system, AI-powered copywriting tools, and done-for-you templates. Plus, you also get a dedicated accountability partner to keep you on track. Honestly, that's something you rarely see at this price point. Now, let's talk about real-world application. You don't need a website, email list, or any technical skills at all. The software actually walks you through copy-pasting info from the product page, and in about 15 minutes, you have a ready-to-go document with your affiliate links embedded. The system is designed for rapid results. Some users even report making their first sales within days, even if they had no prior experience. When you compare this to traditional affiliate marketing or funnel building courses, Conversion Magnets really focuses on simplicity and speed. There's no need for expensive tools like ClickFunnels or weeks of content creation. Everything is, well, streamlined for busy people. So let's talk about the pros. First off, it's extremely beginner-friendly. If you can fill in blanks, you can do this seriously. Fast implementation is another big plus. You can create your first conversion magnet in under 20 minutes. And these aren't just empty claims. There are real, verifiable results. The page is loaded with testimonials from people like Jason, Sarah, and Michael, who saw their income jump from hundreds to thousands per month. You also get comprehensive support, including one-on-one accountability, a support desk, and a 60-day double guarantee. And, oh, the value-packed bonuses are pretty awesome too. You get an AI copywriter, proven email campaigns, top product lists, and a bunch more, all included for a one-time price. Now let's be real about the cons. Results aren't typical. Just like with any online business, your success depends on your effort, your niche, and the amount of traffic you can get. The sales page is pretty upfront that not everyone will get the same results. Also, the limited launch pricing is something to consider. The $37 lifetime access is only during launch week. After that, it jumps to $197, plus a monthly fee for the software. And, it's not a magic bullet. While the system is simple, you still need to take action and drive traffic to your conversion magnets. To sum up, Conversion Magnets Masterclass is a refreshingly simple, actionable system for anyone who wants to break into affiliate marketing or boost their online sales, without the tech headaches or endless content creation. So, who is this product really for? Well, if you're a busy professional, a side hustler, or even a total beginner who wants to see results quickly, this could honestly be a great fit for you. And it's also ideal if you've tried those complicated funnels or courses before and just got stuck. So based on my experience, the value here is honestly outstanding for the price, especially with that risk-free double guarantee. If you're ready to take action and want a proven shortcut, Conversion Magnets is definitely worth a serious look. What do you think about the idea of making sales by giving away free documents? Have you tried affiliate marketing before? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and online income tips. If you want to check out Conversion Magnets Masterclass for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description. Grab it while the launch discount is still available.